Hello guys, got the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra here. So this is the 512 model, and I got this in cream as it looks quite nice on the pictures, so we're going to see in person now as well. So this is the packaging as all the other Samsungs. So yeah, let's get right into it. So one down. Yep, that's two. Okay. So these packages are thin as you don't get what's it called, a plug with it, because they want you to use their own plug, what you already have. So here it is. What is in here? Damn, look at the size of them lens, but we'll check that in a minute. Must be the instructions. Yes. Okay, that's instructions, and if you want to change your SIM, put that on. I mean, put a SIM on. And it comes with a wire as well, a type C wire. So okay, that's alright. So that's how the phone comes. Look at the size of them lenses, they're massive. So let's take this off. Quite tricky. Okay, oh there we go. Damn, that looks nice. Quite a nice luxurious phone. And I gotta say, the cream does look good as well. That looks very nice. Nice silver on the side. And on here as well. So it's got the 200 megapixel camera as well. As you can see, look at that zoom on as well. It's crazy. So I'm not going to take this off yet because I've got to put a screen protector. But it just looks nice. Just like the S22. Feels like a little bit like that. But feels nice on the hand. Of course it's wide like the Notes. And then this is the pen as well. So it gives you a black pen. It's nice. To me, maybe it's my lighting, I don't know, but it looks like a silvery kind of gold color, or it could just be silver. It's just with my lighting, it looks like that. And this is the first time having a look. And then that's the back. Yeah, it looks nice. So I'll put screen protector on in the case. Yeah, there you have it. Plus you got that nice display, that nice AMOLED. And but these cameras look crazy. Like the size of it. Look to next to my thumb. But yeah, it looks nice. Especially the cream. So if you do ever get one of these phones or anything, I'll definitely say get the cream one instead of black or any of the other colours. It just looks smart and clean. But anyway guys, it's a quick video of unboxing of this phone. But yeah, thank you. Like and subscribe. See ya.